Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple videos in a messenger group on PC with the latest update. Let's go through the simple steps together. To begin, open messenger.com in your web browser. Log in to your Messenger account to access your groups. Next, choose any group on Messenger where you want to send multiple videos. Look for the photo and video icon at the bottom of the group chat interface. If you don't see this option, tap the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal additional features. Click on the photo and video icon to start selecting the videos you wish to send. Browse through your computer files. Select the videos, and then click Open to include them in your message. Once you have chosen the videos, it's time to send them. Click on the Send button within the group chat window, or simply press Enter on your keyboard to share the videos with the group members. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to send multiple videos in a messenger group on PC using the new update. This feature makes it easy to share various videos with all the members of the group. Enjoy sharing memorable moments and videos seamlessly with your group members on Messenger. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been informative and helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Messenger group experience.